Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we have another 2002 Gypsy which is completely readily available for sale in Bangalore. This is a Mpfi engine and this is a stock vehicle which has been modified with basic mods have been upgraded on this vehicle. The basic modifications are being upgraded on this vehicle is power steering has been installed 215 75 15. Tires have been installed 80 tires, that is on the same rim itself. Apart from that, there's no modification in this. Completely a stock original vehicle. It's a second owner vehicle. RC is valid up to 2023 and you can just check out we have also installed a HSRP plate in this. As per the RTO rules, we are providing a HSRP plates on the vehicles, and you can just check out the body line of this vehicle. The body line of the vehicle is extremely in good condition at the moment, and brand new tarpals have been used on this vehicle. And we have a eye-catching color, that's the yellow color. You can check out Gypsies have been painted to a yellow color. Apart from that, the vehicle is in good condition. Documents are valid up to 2033. Insurance is also valid, and the complete body line of this vehicle is in very much neat condition, and brand new dashboard has been installed on this vehicle. So right now, I'll be showing you the interiors of this vehicle. So you can just check out the interiors of this vehicle. The interiors are also in good condition. The seats are in totally a black condition seats, and this is an Mpfi engine. 4-wheel gearbox is available in this. Euro 2 engine is available in this, and you can just check out the view from the driver side also. This vehicle is coming up with power steering in this, and the meters are totally in stock condition. Brand new dashboard has been added, and door pads are also in good condition at the moment. And you can just have a look at the seat covers also. They have installed cream colors on the driver, that's the passenger sides, and the tarpaul is also in very much neat condition. Anybody who is really interested in having a look at this vehicle can contact us on our WhatsApp number 9886679617. This vehicle is readily available for sale in Bangalore at Jeep Zone Bangalore itself. Documents all are up to date. RC is valid up to 2033. Insurance is also valid, and the price we are quoting is 5 lakhs negotiable price. Only serious buyers are requested to please do contact us on our WhatsApp number or the same number. So please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.